All right, first shoulder sequence. We've got 8 reps, A's. Palms are facing the rack, pulling straight back, make sure we're not shrugging. 8 T's, out to the side. And then we have 8 snow angels where we're going all the way overhead, back down. Constant tension on the band. So in the programming, following the reps you have for those 8 reps. Then we've got 2 position, front shoulder stretch. So we're stretching overhead, 8 count. And then we go out to the side, hack stretch through here. 8 count as well on both of those. Your split stance row, you're gonna be getting band tension, doubling up on the grip. 8 rows in that vertical position. 8 each side there, both sides, whichever arm has the band. Opposite leg is forward. Yeah, good. Then we're going into our hips. I'm gonna lower the, hopefully this works. And then we're going into our hip sequence. We're on hands and knees, quadruped position. 5 rolling groin stretches each side, sending our hips back. Rolling forward. So you do 5 of those each side. Then lying on our back, single leg raise. 5 of those each side. 5 supine twists each side. And then 5 reverse lunge, reaching overhead. Big lunge, stretching out that back hip. Good overhead reach. You can alternate or do them in a row. When we go down into that lunge, squeezing this back glute, pushing our hips forward, not stressing the low back. So give that a run through. 3 times through all those movements, full body warm up.